Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this little compact shaver that was sent out to me. Now this is a 5-in-1 unit. It does come with your magnetic detachable head, so you can just pull the heads off like so for cleaning. That's really handy for this little kit. You also get a bunch of other accessories. Now all in one, guys, you get 7 floating heads here. The center head here is probably going to be the most responsive, and it's also the largest of all of the heads. So that's going to be great for shaving. Yeah, I'm bald. Okay, so let's be real about it. I shave literally every single day using razors. I usually do it in the shower. But to have something like this that's very convenient, meaning that I can shave literally anywhere, anytime, this is a win, okay? So what do you get in your box? You're gonna get the shaver right here. You also get, let's pop this open real quick so I can show it to you guys. You also receive this cleansing brush. Now this is going to be like for, soaping up and, your lather and all that kind of stuff. This does connect to the head as well. So this is going to allow you to, shave with this, this component, combining it. You also receive, okay, so you also receive this nose trimmer. So if you guys who need to, do a little maintenance on the nose, this comes in the kit as well. And you also get this kind of like a little floating brush. This is going to be great for massaging the skin, things like that. At least that's what I think it's for. We also get a trimmer. So you also receive this little micro trimmer. That's going to be for trimming up like your mustache, around your beard, that clean look that everybody, wants to have. You also get some cleaning supplies and your charging cables right here. So you receive your USB-C to USB-A cable. You also receive this little cleaning brush. That's going to be for getting in there and getting all of those hairs out of different, parts of your device. You got 2 on each side. You also get these little cutting guards, and that's going to work for your trimmer. Those just fit on like so. So that you'll be able, like I said, trim up your beard or whatever it is you want to trim up with this. Really nice design, guys. So if you're looking for something that's going to be compact, travel friendly, you guys shave as much as I do, this could be an excellent product for you to take a look at. So all of your different heads, they just connect like so. You're just going to line them up, snap it on, and then you'll be able to use like your nose trimmer, nose hair trimmer, or this little trimmer here. Just going to slot in like so. So really nice design. Pop off the different guides, different little guards. That comes in handy. And then we have this brush as well that also attaches basically the same way. Really nice, sleek design. Kind of mirror. It does have a mirror finish to it, which is nice. With your IPX6 rating on this. Really nice. Charging on this is 2.5 hours. Discharge on this is about 120 minutes. Okay, 8 watts. Really nice design, guys. So definitely check this guy out. So if you're looking for an easy way to be able to, groom yourself on the road, at home, or something like that, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.